Today's menu is crumbled sardine.
How's it going, everyone? I'm Keita. Today I'm here in Japan and I send you a video from here in Tokyo. Today I'd like to show you how to make crumbled sardine from Japan. This sardine is very cheap, only 220 yen. It's almost $3. 4 pieces of big sardine like this, very big. Okay, that's cooking.
After scale a fish, cut off the head. Slice off the belly. Remove the guts. Wash inside by your finger. Like this. I show you a technique, easiest way. Run your finger along the bone to open the sardine. Broke bone of the tail and take it off carefully. You see, very easy. The next is cutting rib. The bone of sardine is very small, so you don't need to care so much.
ここに骨があります。ここに骨があります。これを
Slice
持
it
って
and take it off.
で型にしてきれいに取れます。
Sexy. It's easy, trust me. Pour oil and heat it up. While waiting the oil, prepare salt. Line up sardine.
塩こしします。
Put salt and pepper. I use starch today, but normally use flour.
並び方。
We order is flour, egg, panko.
1、2、3。
Mix well.
完全に混ぜ切る。はい、これだけ。
Put a bit of water and mix well again.
いきます。
First, put flour to lock in the umami.
で、
Drop
余分な
extra
落と
flour.
して
Put on
つ
egg.
けてたっぷりつけて
Take off extra egg.
入れます。
Covered with crumbled panko. Push gently to cover it well.
パン粉をつけて
It's done to dress up. Beautiful. The temperature of oil is 170. Deep frying after this color. Turn it over. Check the other side. If it's enough to cook, take it out.
I ただきます。This is sardines. いただきます。Look at that. It's crunchy and tastes very good. This tonkatsu sauce. Very fresh and so nice. Yummy! Yummy!
If you see sardine in supermarket, Please try it.
Thank you for watching my video and please subscribe me. ありがとう。